Hey friends, Andrew here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set YouTube download to HD quality. So if you have YouTube Premium and you realize that whenever you download videos, it is coming in to 480p, let me show you how. Once you're in YouTube, look on the left hand side and find the download section. This is where your downloaded videos will be on YouTube. And if you watch those videos, you will see that it's in 4 standard or 480p. Now to change this to HD quality, click the settings here in the upper right, and from here you'll have the download quality. So you can see by default it is set to standard. You switch this to full HD and you can easily set it to HD quality from here. So the next time when you download videos on YouTube, you will now download those videos in HD. So I'm gonna go ahead now and just pause that video right here, click on download, and you will see that the video is going to download. So whenever I click the video to watch it, afterwards it will be in HD. So let me go back to downloads here, find that video, which is this one. Once I click it, this video will load in HD, as you can see right there. And that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple.